Year 2! It's Mrs. Cochrane Magnificent! I am a superhero. I've come dressed as a superhero today. Thought you might all find this a little bit funny. I feel a little bit crazy dressed like this. But we're going to talk about superheroes. So this is Friday's lesson. Yesterday you came up with your own superhero, didn't you? We had our own superhero name, and you've come up with a name, and you've used an adjective to describe your superhero, and you also came up with your own superpower, didn't you? So that's what we're going to do today. We are going to have a look at what we did yesterday, which was coming up with our character name and our superpower. Okay, so Mrs. Cochrane got this one. Mrs. Cochrane Magnificent. My superpower is teaching. Oh, I haven't told you that yet. So I said my superpower was teaching at home and teaching at school. So I fly from home, where I am today, then I fly to school and teach the children at school. But to help myself fly, I have my red cape on here. I have a red mask so that all the wind and the rain and the snow doesn't go in my eyes. But to be able to fly, I use my multicoloured hair and I shake it like this, and it sprinkles magic dust to help me fly. That is how I get from place to place. So what I'd like us to do today is, if you didn't get a chance yesterday to draw your picture of your superhero and label all the parts of your superhero, okay? What I wanted to have today was a picture of myself here, but I haven't managed to download that, so I'm sorry about that. So what you would do is, if we would draw a line. Let's see if we can do this. Is it going to let me? So we could put, where's it gone? It's been a bit silly today. What we would have done is we would draw a line. So say if I had the picture of my mask here, I would have drawn a line to label it. A bit like you've already got in your book. Let me show you the one that's in the book. Let's go down here and look at the picture. Let's keep going down. So we've done that. We've done that. Here. Can you see here? Okay. So you might have a tiara. So I don't have a tiara. Mine is called a multicoloured headband. I don't have any cuffs on, and I don't have a belt. I have a cape and I have a mask. So you need to put lines to each of your things that you've got on you, and maybe talk about why you've got them. So I've got the cape to help me glide through the wind because I need to fly. I have got the mask so that none of the different weather go in my eyes. So like if it's sunshine, it protects me. If it's raining, it protects me. And then here, my multicoloured headband sprinkles the dust to help me fly. Okay, so what we will then do is something really exciting. So we've drawn a picture of our superhero, and I want you to come up with a superhero symbol. So all superheroes have a symbol, don't they? So that's Batman, that's Spider-Man, that's Superman, and I think that one is for Wonder Woman. Okay, so let's have a look then at coming up with our own symbol that you can draw in your pack, if you've got space there, or if not, just draw it on a piece of paper, your symbol that will form part of your outfit then. So you could draw your symbol here, or you could draw it straight onto your superhero, okay? So you need to have labelled your superhero, then you need to come up with a superhero symbol. And I don't think we got to do this yesterday. You need to say how. you use your magical powers. So Mrs. Cockram, she uses her magic hair to sprinkle flying powder and can then fly from school to home and back as quick as lightning. Oh, can you see that? Shall I Mrs. Cockram? Oh, so let's carry on now with this work. Oh, let me just highlight these back again. Just highlighted somewhere. That's an adjective is magic, isn't it? So you could highlight some of the adjectives in your work, couldn't you? See if you can challenge yourself to do that, to write your sentence. So you've got your name, your superpower, and how you use your superpower. You've also drawn a picture and labelled your picture, okay, with the things that you have got, yeah? If you haven't got a superhero image in your head of what you want to do, you could create Mrs. Cockram. You could use the one that Mrs. Cockram has come up with if you want to. But the challenge is for you to come up with your own. But if you're struggling, you could use the same one as Mrs. Cockram and try and draw what Mrs. Cockram looks like. I think I look lovely today. I might dress like this all the time. Okay, so have a go at doing that. Have a go at labelling a superhero, okay? Have a lovely day, and I cannot wait to see the work you have done. Okay? See you later, you two. Bye.